So straight from the curb, I scored this ProTeam 1500. This is not the most recent version, which would be the 1500 XP. This is the older unit, which I'm not sure how old it is, but it's definitely older than the newer style. So I've already put a bag into this. It does work. You can put the regular Electrolux upright bags into it, no big deal. Bag chamber is pretty clean, but we've got a pretty good clog in it, so we'll have to address that here in a minute. And I've also put a male plug end on it because obviously this was a curb find, and the tweakers or the scavengers or both cut the cord off. And thankfully they left the proprietary end, which goes down into here, and they didn't cut that off. They just cut it off up here. So I took the strain relief down a bit just to get some more slack out of it in order to get this male plug on. So what we're gonna do is clear this clog out, and then we'll get you guys a pretty quick video on this machine running and working as it should. There's really not a whole lot wrong with it other than what was wrong with the cord and that clog. I suspect that clog was why they put it out to the curb. Really unfortunate. These are like, $500 vacuums, and people just can't be bothered to do some basic maintenance. It looks like it's in there pretty good. All kinds of fluff is coming out. So we might actually have to pull off the bag compartment in order to push that out. What I'm gonna do is pull the handle off. Try not to break anything in the process. This plastic is very, very brittle. Really, I should replace this whole compartment, but we'll just see if we can get this thing running. And then if it's worth putting the money into it, we'll get a separate video on it. What I'm gonna do to make this just a little bit easier is I'm gonna use like an angled screwdriver and just pull those two Phillips out. This will at least allow us to get some more slack out of this, kind of move things aside as we need. It's gross. Just one end. I think we got it. That was by far one of the worst clogs I've ever seen on a vacuum, especially one like this. The suction on these machines is actually really good, so I'm kind of surprised that it clogged, but it just really goes to show you, you suck up anything big enough and it's gonna clog it. Same way it came off. Back on. Of course, all four screws can go back in. Like I said, this bag enclosure needs to be replaced. It's just really brittle. The rest of the vacuum I don't think is that bad, but I'm really afraid to use my any sort of power tools on it. Yeah, this thing's just coming apart as I start putting it back together. Put the bag back in just so we don't forget about that. Well, let's try this beast out. Yeah, it's in need of a full service, but honestly, can't really do too bad. Thing's got good suction.